We had one suspect, Karima Abdallah, who is the main proprietor behind Supreme Security Limited, one of the labor recruiting agencies that has been actively involved in exporting labor from Uganda to the Middle East. She has recorded statements with us in this regard, and we are tracing for two of our accomplices, one called Charity and another one called Moses, all from Supreme Security Limited, that have been actively involved in this. We need a statement which we should need to get through Interpol. There is an accomplice based in Saudi Arabia called Mutab Pasha Al-Mumeri, based in Hal, Saudi Arabia. This is the receiving agent. This is a man who is interested in only female migrant labor, and that he first houses you or accommodates you in his house for a period of 3 or so months, subjects you to acts of sexual harassment and intimidation under the use of a knife and so on. And because of that, we have prepared lines of inquiry through Interpol so that they can obtain a statement from Saudi Arabia, which can help in our investigations here, and also for government to put to task the Saudi Arabian government to investigate these other claims of harassment.